To replace a standard length plunger, start by unscrewing the 4 bolts holding the yoke in place and pull the yoke out and off of the pump platform. Remove the plunger disc. Remove the half-groove dowel pin by using vice grips and pulling the pin up and off of the plunger. Please note that this video shows the new style half-groove dowel pin, which is tapered. It must be pulled up and cannot be tapped through. If you have an old style roll or spring pin, that must be punched out with an 1/8" center punch. Pull the old plunger out and dispose. Locate your new plunger. Insert the new plunger into the thrust rod. Line up the holes with an 1/8" center punch. Locate the new half-groove dowel pin and orient the pin so that the grooves are on the upper side, indicating the larger OD side up. Insert the pin into the hole and give the pin a light tap with a hammer to engage. Reattach the plunger disc and fluid end. To replace an adjustable length plunger, start by completing a manual rotation so that the apex is aligned with the plunger of interest, giving you the most space to work. Use vice grips to pull the half-groove dowel pin up and out of the plunger. Remove the old plunger and dispose. Locate the new adjustable plunger and insert it into the threaded thrust rod. Locate your new half-groove dowel pin, orient so that the grooves are facing up, and drop the pin into the hole. Ensure the pin is on this side of the lock nuts so that the lock nuts hold the pin in place. Lastly, take a hammer and give the pin a light tap to set. Please note that LCO offers both a standard plunger and thrust rod and an adjustable plunger and thrust rod. The easiest way to tell the difference is that the adjustable one has threading and 2 lock nuts, whereas the regular standard plunger and thrust rod does not. The plungers used within these 2 products are different lengths. Plungers used in the adjustable setup are longer, whereas the standard plunger is shorter. When you insert the adjustable plunger into the threaded thrust rod, you have to take up this extra distance. So please ensure that you purchase and use the correct plunger as they are not interchangeable.